Doing a Honda Civic 2018. Car's open. They got the bling bling. That might have to come off. Give it some power. Honda by vehicle Civic. We're gonna go to the newest year we have, 2016. Okay, lost. We're gonna do escape. Okay, spot on. There we go. This is the ignition on position. Yes, it is now. Amount of keys we're doing is 1. Programming. Failure. Doing 1 key again. That's the same failure. Let me actually take it outside the car. Inside the car. I'm doing 1 key. Uh-oh, let's go back. Keyless type 1. Wow, it's filling right away. Alright, I'm just going to move right up to the Smart Pro. I want to avoid any situations. Although I did turn the car on, so technically I could probably do it. That's the autek. Don't really care to do Hondas with the autek though. Vehicle. Honda Civic. We're doing 2018. Once we turn it off, we'll turn it off. All key lost. Okay, access gain. Release. Okay. New key in the car. Okay, I'm gonna switch back to the other machine. It failed because there's no power to this key. Looks like I've had it long enough for the battery to die. I'm gonna change that battery and then program it. Okay, new battery, we got light. Let's pull up the programmer again. So latest here again, type 2. Already have the car on. We're gonna do all keyless loss. Connection error. I might have to start from the beginning, turning the car off. Yeah. Okay. Key outside the car. Key inside the car. Hit escape. Pull that down till it turns on. That's okay. Okay, car's on. We're gonna do one key. Programming. Here's the key. Well, it didn't fell right away, so I think we're good now. Turn ignition off. Turn it on. Alright, it's working. Working. Security light out. There's a red light down here. It's out. Press OK. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Success. Alright, button should work. You can hear him. Car should start. There we go.